guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's your girl Malika Skylife representing for the team. Yo, I want the them. Now in today's video, I want to zoom in on the apple cider vinegar. Boom! The apple cider vinegar, the Bragg apple cider vinegar. This is organic and this has the mother in it. I'll do a little bit of the in there. Yeah, so this played a big role in helping me to lose 25 pounds in a matter of about 3 months or less, right? And I wanted to zoom in on the apple cider vinegar and how it can help, and how it helped me actually, and you can apply it to your health journey, your fitness journey, and see if it can help you too, because this right here is gold, I'm telling you. So what I did when I was trying to lose weight, I'm still trying to take off some more weight. I'm near to my goal weight and I'm pretty proud of that. But what I started to do is to drink the apple cider vinegar in the morning and in the night before I go to bed. Alright, it's required to drink the apple cider vinegar 3 times per day. In the morning when you wake up, when you have lunch at 12, and when you have dinner, when you're going to your bed in the night, right? But I couldn't manage lunchtime, so I just drink it. I just drank it twice per day, in the morning and in the night when I'm going to my bed. Now how I drink this, right? I mix this 8-ounce glass of water, 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. But let me just warn you, just maybe 2 tablespoons will be too strong for you right now, so I recommend that you start at 1 and then you work your way up if I can manage it too. But it's 8-ounce glass of water to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or lime juice, and that's what I drank every day for 3 months straight. I drink it. Someday me miss, but it wasn't a big deal, right? So guys, I encourage you to try the apple cider vinegar with the mother in it and see if it works for you. In a week you'll start to see results. So tell me how it works for you. The apple cider vinegar, it helped me to lose 25 pounds. And I'm so shocked and I'm so grateful for this product here, because I didn't know that it would work, right? So thank you guys for stopping by. Please use your apple cider vinegar and tell me if it helps you. Alright?